Students, today we are continuing lesson number 4, word processor, and we will first learn about undo and redo commands. What is the use of these two commands? Children, Microsoft Word keep tracks of all the actions we take in a document and record them, and whenever we want we can undo all those changes and we can restore the original text. Also, if you like, we can also repeat those changes with the help of undo and redo commands. First, we will understand undo command. This option reverses the effect of last command. And if you want to reverse one or more actions, then we have to click one by one on a undo button that is present on the quick access toolbar. Shortcut key of undo command is Ctrl plus Z. It reverses our actions. Okay. Now see, suppose I have written 2 lines. This is my action. Now I deleted the one line. So this is my last action. I deleted a line. मैंने एक line को delete कर दिया. Now what happened? As we will go to the top of the window that is on title bar, left side there is a quick access toolbar. On that I will click on the undo button. Now see what will be the effect of undo button. Undo will reverse our last action. My last action was I deleted a line. So again the deleted line is appearing in the window. So this way undo button works. It reverses our actions, and up to 15 and 16 actions it can reversed if we click continuously on undo button. Children, next command is the redo command. It is the reverse of undo command. Okay, and redo button is also presented on a quick access toolbar. Its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Y. Whatever actions we undo, it reverses it. Okay children. Now see, suppose the last action of undo was to डिस्प्ले द लाइन अगेन. अंडू ने क्या किया कि जो लाइन मैंने डिलीट की थी उसको डिस्प्ले कर दिया. अब नाउ वी विल क्लिक ऑन द रीडू बटन दैट इज ऑल्सो लोकेटेड ऑन द टाइटल बार on a quick access bar that is located left side of a title bar. Now as we will click on a redo button, it will reverse the undo action. See, the text again disappear from the document, or you can say it repeats our original actions. हमने जो actions undo से पहले लिए थे उसको repeat कर देता है, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं कि वो undo के actions को reverse कर देता है. So I hope you understand about undo and redo command. Now children, we will understand about spelling and grammar checker feature. MS Word has a dictionary of words. Okay, it has a grammatical rules to check the spellings and grammar of the text we write in a document. So whenever we write any spelling or whenever we write sentence, MS Word check those spellings with its own dictionary, and also it checks that we have written the sentence grammatically correct or incorrect. If MS Word found spelling mistakes, it shows the spelling with a red wavy line under the word. Okay, and if there is any grammatical error it found, it shows green wavy line below the line. So in that case we will use spelling and grammar checker to check and correct our grammatical and spelling errors. Now we will learn how can we correct the spellings. Children, simplest way is that whenever we find any word that has a red wavy line, that is a spelling mistake, simply right click on the word. As we will click on the word, the list will appear and it will shows us suggestions ki what can be a correct word. Okay, as you can see. Now from that shortcut menu, what we have to do, we have to select any correct spelling from the suggestion. Just I have clicked on the first one, and we will find out that MS Word will automatically replace that incorrect spellings with the selected option. So this way we can easily correct our spelling mistake. Children, we have another method also with the help of spelling and grammar dialog box. As we click on the review tab, you will find out that there is a left side, there is a button spelling and grammar. When we click on a spelling and grammar, this type of dialog box will come, where in a first part it shows the spelling mistake, and in suggestion box it shows the suggestion. If you want to change the word with the suggestion word, we will select the word and simply we will click on the change button. That incorrect spellings will be replaced with the correct spelling. So with the help of spelling and grammar dialog box, we can also correct our spelling and grammatical mistakes. Another feature we use in MS Word is a thesaurus. What is a thesaurus? Children, thesaurus help us by improving our vocabulary. It provides us list of synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms means word with the similar meaning, and antonyms means word with the opposite meaning. And we can use thesaurus to type the text in our document. Children, thesaurus option is also very helpful for us. Now we will learn how can we use it. To use a thesaurus, first of all, we have to write a word and we will select the word for which we want to find any synonym or any antonyms. Okay. After that, as you can see, we will go to the review tab. In review tab, there is a proofing group, and on proofing group, we will click on a thesaurus option. There is a shortcut key also, Shift plus F7 to use the thesaurus option. As we will click on thesaurus option, we will find out that in our window right side there will be research task pane opens, and this research task panes will shows us the list of synonyms and antonyms for the selected word. Once we see the list, we will select any word that is suggested. Like in this example, I have selected ordinary word, and then we will click on the right side bottom down button, and there is an insert option. We will click on the insert option, and we will find out that existing word will be replaced with the new one. So this way we can use thesaurus in our document. Okay children, our topic is over and even the chapter is also over. Please revise the chapter carefully.